So PC Crash 15.1 has an advanced camera optimization that will solve for lens distortion parameters and the camera roll angle. We can use this and apply it to video analysis too. So I've got this scene here, a nice point cloud, and we have a dash cam showing a collision. So I'm just going to move to the end here for finding out where this camera is and its parameters, because I want to have lots of things visible. So I'm just going to take this and apply it to the 3D window. Automatically creates a little PNG and applies it in the scene. You can see that my camera has some rotation applied to it already. So I'll just roughly get where this camera is. And I just want to be able to see all the elements in the video and in my 3D scene. So I'm not in the right place, obviously. Let me zoom in a little. Okay, so there we are. I think I can see most of the things I need. So I'm going to go through the same process as usual with trying to match a camera position. I'm going to define a bunch of points that are common between the image and the 3D scene. Trying to get them spread around in 3D space. Lots of little signposts and traffic light poles and such. Some lane markings here. Just see, can we see? Yeah, I think we see the corner here. Oops. There. Okay, so with that, let's just save this camera. And now we could try move around a little to get a bit better of a match. Okay, and if I hit the optimize, so that gets a camera position and orientation, which gives me a pretty decent match, but there's no roll being done. It's just what I've put in manually, and there's clearly some fisheye distortion that needs correction. So I'll just save this camera again. So now if I go to the optimize camera position to the advanced option, now I can optimize on various lens distortion terms. And I'm going to give this a fairly wide margin because there's probably a fair bit of distortion, and I want to try capture some of the corner bits. So if I optimize here, so here's my original image on the left and my optimized image on the right, with the lens distortion dialed in. So you see we're getting a pretty nice match there, even matching up some sort of tops of the poles, and the way that the transparency gets applied automatically to these images so you can see around the edges is very nice. So here what I want to do is save my lens distortion parameters. I'm going to call this lens video And I can apply this to my image, which I want to do. So I have a nice image here. And I'm just going to save out my camera position as well. Save settings. I'm going to call this cam video. And so now if I go into my video window, go to the lens distortion tab, I can load those video distortion parameters automatically. And if I apply lens correction, now I can show a 3D overlay. And I can have the corrected lens be used for all of my analysis of this video, including motion tracking or manual placement. So there you go. That's lens distortion correction and advanced camera matching in video for PC Crash 15.1.